Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making homemade vanilla Oreo cookies. If you're a fan of the originals, this homemade version is made with just 5 organic ingredients. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Add 226 grams of softened butter, 142 grams of sifted powdered sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined. You may still see a few bits of butter, and that's okay as long as the butter is very soft. Last, add in 255 grams of all-purpose flour and mix on low until combined into a smooth cookie dough. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl to ensure that the cookie dough is completely combined. Using your hands, form the dough into 30 balls and place on 2 parchment paper lined baking sheets, spacing them evenly apart. The cookie dough will feel like Play-Doh in your hands. It should be very soft and pliable. Flatten the dough balls so they are about 1 3/4 inches in diameter. Bake at 350 degrees for 15 to 17 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheets completely before filling. To make the filling, add 226 grams of sifted powdered sugar, 113 grams of softened butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined and then speed up the mixer to high and mix for a few minutes or until it's light and fluffy. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl and mix again to ensure you have a smooth and creamy filling. Transfer the filling to a piping bag with Ateco tip number 864. Turn over every other cookie and pair them together. Then pipe a swirl of filling onto each cookie, starting at the outer edge of the cookie and swirling into the middle. Sandwich with the second cookie. Filling them this way is totally optional. If you don't have the tip or the piping bag, you can also just spoon a dollop of filling onto the cookies for a more rustic look. I hope you enjoy these homemade vanilla Oreo cookies as much as I do. For more nostalgic cookie recipes made better with organic ingredients, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.